Hello students. So today we will be discussing about the new chapter, that is electrochemistry. It is chapter 2 in class 12th chemistry. Okay. So first of all, what is electrochemistry? Because we have studied somewhat little bit about the electrochemistry in previous class in redox chapter. Okay. So electrochemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of interconversion of electrical energy into chemical energy and vice versa. Simply, the definition will be as follows. You can see this is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of chemical energy into electrical energy and vice versa. So here simply we can say it is all about the chemistry between two chemical species where one loses electron and other accepts electrons. Okay, we can see here in this picture one hand is losing the electron, other hand is taking the electron. Simply such exchange of electrons is known as redox reaction. So what is redox reaction? In which there is exchange of the electron. One is accepting the electron and at the same time another one is donating the electron. Is that clear? We can see in this reaction, this is the redox reaction. Okay, this copper is removing electron from itself because it is having the oxidation state to be 0. It has 0 oxidation state, and at the same time here we can see in case of the silver it has oxidation state +1. It has oxidation state +1. Okay, so here we can see that silver has +1 oxidation state and copper has here right hand side +2 oxidation state. It means from 0 to +2 oxidation state there is increase in oxidation state of the copper, whereas in case of the silver there is decrease in oxidation state from +1 to 0. So decrease in oxidation state is called reduction and increase in oxidation state is called oxidation. So this is called a redox reaction. This is the simple example of redox reaction. Is that clear? Just looking this equation in detail, we can see here that this equation, this redox reaction can be divided into two half reactions. You can see here that this one is what? This reaction is oxidation reaction. This reaction is oxidation reaction, whereas at the same time this one is reduction reaction. Why is this reduction? Because it is taking electron, means taking the electron or accepting the electron is called reduction, and removing the electron is called oxidation simply. And this all about we have already discussed in previous class. So in this case, note that half reactions are combined to make a full reaction, which is called redox reaction, as we can see here. Okay, so this one is, this red one is oxidation reaction, and this green one is reduction reaction. Okay, the important thing to remember is that electrons are neither created or destroyed, okay, during a redox reaction. They are transferred from the species being oxidized to that being reduced. Means one is taking the electron and other one is donating the electron. Okay, the one which is donating the electron, this is donating the electron. This copper is donating electron to silver. So copper oxidation state is increasing and silver is accepting the electron from the copper, hence silver oxidation state is decreasing. So simply we can say decrease in oxidation state is called reduction and increase in oxidation state is called oxidation. Is that clear? Now in this chapter we will study about the electrochemical cells. Okay, so what are electrochemical cells? Electrochemical cells are the cells in which we can see the conversion of electrical energy into chemical energy and chemical energy conversion into electrical energy. Means this is simply, these are the cells in which there is interconversion between electrical energy and chemical energy. So simply by definition we can see here, that means electrochemical cell is the cell in which there is interconversion of electrical energy into chemical energy and vice versa. So this is the simple definition of this. And the electrochemical cell is divided into two types of the cells. One is galvanic cell and another one is electrolytic cell. What is galvanic cell? Galvanic cell is the cell that produces electricity due to spontaneous reaction occurring in it. Whereas electrolytic cell is what is this? External source of current device which is used here to cause non-spontaneous reaction. Simply we can say galvanic cell are what? These are, so simply we can say galvanic cells are the cells in which there is conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy. That means here in galvanic cell we are converting the chemical energy into electrical energy. What does it mean? It means with the help of the spontaneous chemical reaction we are producing electricity. Means spontaneous reactions are helping to produce here the electricity. Whereas what are the electrolytic cell? These are just opposite to the galvanic cell. That means these are the cells in which there is conversion of electrical energy into chemical energy. So what does it mean? It means with the help of the electrical energy we are carrying out the non-spontaneous reactions. Is that clear? So non-spontaneous reactions are carried out with the help of the electricity. So the cells in which such type of the conversion occurs, those are called electrolytic cell. Is that point clear? Let's first talk about galvanic cell. Here we can see there can occur the transport of ions. The reaction stops after only a chemically insignificant amount has taken place. Violation of electron neutrality. The two electrolytes must be in contact. So simply we can see here this is the galvanic shell. Okay, in this galvanic shell you can see that here is zinc electrode, which is called what? This is called anode. This one is called anode. Okay, and this copper is called cathode. This copper is called cathode. This is called zinc is called anode. At anode there is always taking place what? Oxidation. Here occurs oxidation and here occur reduction. At zinc there is oxidation, at cathode there is reduction. Why? Because zinc is anode, and at anode there is always the oxidation and at cathode there is always reduction. Is that point clear? Okay, so half reaction which is taking place here is you can see left electrode means zinc 1. Zinc is donating electron and means it is removing electron from itself and becoming Zn2 positive, whereas Cu2 positive is accepting electron to form the copper solid. So here the reduction is taking place in case of copper. In case of zinc there is oxidation. Always remember, at anode there is always oxidation, at cathode there is always reduction. Okay, so the net reaction will be as follows. The net reaction is the oxidation of zinc by copper second ion, means cupric ion. So zinc plus Cu2 positive is giving Zn2 positive plus Cu. Okay, so this is the about the galvanic cell.